हेलो फ्रेंड्स, आई एम नीलेश एंड वेलकम टू माय इनसाइड पावर यूट्यूब चैनल। आज इस वीडियो में हम डिटेल में डिस्कस करेंगे रिगार्डिंग आईआईटी मद्रास एमएस प्रोग्राम which is sponsored with the Texas Instrument India Private Limited. So there is a jointly initiative program by IIT Madras and Texas Instrument India Private Limited. आज इस प्रोग्राम के बारे में हम डिटेल में डिस्कस करेंगे। सो आप अभी तक इस चैनल पे नए हो और अभी तक आपने इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है, so please do subscribe and press the bell icon so that you can get all the notifications regarding ME, MTech, MS admissions and PhD admissions and various recruitments for the PSU and the professor jobs in this channel. So please subscribe. Now let's see for this program. जैसे कि अब हम वेबसाइट पे है, मैं इस वेबसाइट का लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में दे दूंगा, तो आप वहां पे जाके डिटेल में चेक कर सकते हो। सो वी विल डिस्कस इन शॉर्टली व्हाट इज दैट रिसर्च प्रोग्राम, दैट इज रिसर्च एसोसिएटशिप in analog and mixed signal VLSI design. So this program is specifically in this domain only. So this is the program jointly initiated by IIT Madras and Texas Instruments India Private Limited, okay, which brings together expert faculty and strong academia industry interface. So इस program का feature क्या है, let's see. So associates in this program will work on relevant industrial problem, जो कि actual industrial problem होंगे उस पे वो काम रहेगा, और will have the opportunity to intern at TII. मीन्स जो भी इस रिसर्च प्रोग्राम पे काम करेगा, लाइक MS प्रोग्राम पे काम करेगा, उनको अपॉर्चुनिटी मिलेगी एज एन इंटर्न इन द टेक्सास इंस्ट्रूमेंट इंडिया। ओके, आफ्टर दैट the candidate will be selected based on written test and interview. यहाँ पे उन्होंने clearly लिखा है written test and interview which is conducted by the IIT Madras. After that, selected student will receive minimum emoluments of rupees 25,000 per month throughout the program. जो कि आप एमटेक करते हो तो आपको 12,400 मिलता है, लेकिन यहाँ पे फॉर सिलेक्टेड कैंडिडेट दे विल गेट 25,000 पर मंथ, and the student selected in the program will receive provisional non-binding employment offer from the TII, that is Texas Instruments India, at the time of joining the course. So this is a very good opportunity to you. Okay, apply if you are want to work on the challenging project in analog mixed signal IC designs, are passionate about circuit and system design, and want to design and fabricate your own IC and see it works. Okay, जो भी इस मॉडल में और जो भी इस स्ट्रीम में इंटरेस्टेड है, दे कैन अप्लाई फॉर दिस बिकॉज टेक्सास इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स इज ऑल्सो वन ऑफ द ICs and manufacturing company. Okay, so to apply, these things are must. So have to bachelor degree in electronics, electrical, telecommunications, instrumentation engineering, or allied discipline with aggregate of 65%. Okay. Thereafter, having valid gate score of 650 or more in EC, EE, and IN, that is electronics, electrical engineering, and instrumentation. Currently, gate score is valid for 3 years. Okay. So जिनका भी gate score 650 के ऊपर है, they are eligible for applying this program. Okay, the gates requirement is waived for the IIT BTech students with a cumulative grade point of 8 or above. जो भी IIT BTech है, ग्रेजुएट है, उनके लिए CGPA का रिक्वायरमेंट 8 और हायर देन 8 पॉइंटर इज मस्ट. So this is the criteria. So those who are meeting this qualifying criteria, they will apply for this and they can use this opportunity. Okay, thereafter the proceed to further, that is application form is given, so you can click here for the application form. Okay, so for this application form they have given, fill out the embedded form below or go to this link to open the separate page. Okay, so आप इस लिंक पे क्लिक करके आपको सेपरेट फॉर्म भी आएगा, तो आप ये फॉर्म फिल कर सकते हो. ओके, आफ्टर दैट you can go link for the applying MS program in IIT Madras. Okay, so you can go, as I have already explained in this videos, regarding the PhD, direct PhD MS admissions by research. So you can do login and apply for the same. Okay, after that you can see here the detail is given. You can see if you have any questions, then you can See here, frequently asked question. Thereafter, for this program specifically, please underline this word that you will also need to apply MS program by this program and choose EE6 as one of your specialization in that form, so that you can consider for the MS admission. Okay, application field up to the 30 April 21 will be considered. Okay, so 30 April is the last date for this application. So important date दिया है 30 April, or after this there will be conduct test and interview that will be announced later on, that is the last week of May. So in this way you are overall procedure for the MS program in the IIT Madras and sponsored with Texas Instruments of India Private Limited. Thereafter, if you have any questions, frequently asked questions, then you can see here. For this there are a lot of questions. What is the research associate program? Then will I be admitted to MS program at IIT Madras if I pass selection test interview? These are the questions. So see, application process, test and interview, everything is given. So just go through that. If you have any questions, और ये क्वेश्चन को छोड़ के भी आपको अगर कोई क्वेश्चन है, डाउट है, so you can feel free to ask in the comment box. I will try to answer all the questions. Okay, so अभी तक आपने इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है, so please do subscribe or press the bell icon so that you can get all the notifications regarding admissions related to MS, PhD and MTech and various recruitment jobs updates. Stay watch on this channel, so please subscribe and thank you for watching my video.